In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache on Hisense Smart TV. Step 1. Access the settings. Press the home button on the remote, scroll and select settings. Step 2. Open device preferences. Inside settings, select device preferences to manage TV storage. Step 3. Tap storage. Within device preferences, select storage to see data usage. Step 4. Find internal storage. Select internal storage to access cache data details. Step 5. Select cache data. Scroll to cache data and select it to prepare for clearing. Step 6. Clear cache. Choose clear cache and confirm to delete temporary cached files. Step 7. Confirm action. Confirm clearing the cache by selecting OK when prompted. Step 8. Restart your TV. Power off and on your TV to activate changes and refresh the system. And that is how you clear the cache of your Hisense Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. And do you like the background color of this nice presentation? I do. Thanks for watching.